The following is a reenactment of a phone conversation I had with my best friend Owen just the other day.
Okay. So, do you mind staying on the line for a minute while I go out and get some hot apple cider?
Sure.
Scuttle, 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 shuffle, 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 shuffle. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter. Patter, open, open drawer. I got a spoon. Alright, 1 minute, okay? Scuttle, 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 scuttle. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Open cabinet drawer. And my favorite mug, 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 mug. Put down here. Powder, 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 powder. I'm almost done. Powder, 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 powder. Hot water, hot water, hot water. Shh.
Oh my gosh.
Almost done, okay? I promise. I promise this time. Shh. Pick it up. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't drop. Don't fall. No. Whew. Alright, it's not on the table now. I can talk.
Okay.